This is going to be a short video of my Atlas lathe running. I had to delete the earlier one because I had country music in the background. I didn't want to get a strike, so here we go. I'm not running the slower back gears right now. I'm not going to lift this either because it's a stupid thing to do. So, well, right now I'll just run the carriage a little bit. I'm running forward toward the tool engagement. She's running really smooth. She's on 110. Nice big motor on this machine. But it runs really good in my shop 110. Came with lots of tooling, which I can't really show you all of it, but it's got taper gauge down here, vertical mill, which I haven't put on yet. It's down in the box here. Show you the cross slide feed. And I'll show you reverse. Flip this reverse switch. Now she's in reverse. Now we're backing up. And show you the cross slide feed. All right, that's about it. Thanks everybody.